Children Cultural Centre Manipur launches a 3-day children festival. Minister Karam Sham calls for a healthy competition among children to bring out their best. Chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited, Narembam Samarjit, asserts Meitei is a unified name given to all ethnic groups of Manipur. Manipur joins in observing country's first Naturopathy Day today. Health Minister L. Jayendra Kumar announces Ayush Fair in Imphal from December 6 to 9. An event partner of Manipur Sangai Festival 2018, Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association discontent at the lack of assistance from the relevant department. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari, bringing you the top stories. Well, first up, Children Cultural Centre Manipur launched a 3-day children festival in relation to its Silver Jubilee celebration at Manipur Dramatic Union Hall, Yashkul today. The festival was organized to instill cultural tranquility amongst children in the form of dance, music and children's plays. The organizer believes that the festival will help in curbing mobile phone addiction among the children. Poetry recitation, folk songs, kabui dance and children play titled Uchek Langmaigdong were the highlights of the day. Speaking on the occasion, CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham stressed the need for healthy competitions among children to bring out the best for their capabilities. He also stressed the need for parents to identify the likes and dislikes of their children.
Aikoi angang singbu lamjing lamtakpa aduga makoi bu afaba lambi da guide tauba aduga makoi gi mating phudohanba tungi future sembi base akoi khuding waki responsibility ne hayeng akoi na tungda horai ban harol sing phatraga noi phatadana samaj se mangale haibi aroeba han phatadana na harol sing phatrig ne na akoi da hayeng matam ma da tainara kane madugi responsibility akoi na lofam thoye anu akoi gi tungi future oiriban harol sengwat pase akoi gi responsibility ne haibase akoi khuding mak khaminna bagal loina na thaboina utopagi tangai phadaba lai haibudu ai thamjage.
Mahatma Gandhi Samman Awardee, Chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited, Narembam Samarjit, was accorded a warm reception by Kha Kanglairol Thiba Chingtam Sanamahi Thaugallup today. It may be mentioned that the prestigious award accorded to Samarjit on 25th October in the House of Commons, London. Speaking in the reception held at the shrine of Ithai Punamching, Narembam Samarjit opined that political parties should be differentiated only during election as government belongs to the people the day it is formed. He maintained that there is no such thing as BJP or Congress government. He said Salai Holdings, in honor of the present government, will be sponsoring Japan's traditional sport sumo wrestling demonstration in the upcoming Sangai Festival, which is expected to cost a company above 1 crore rupees. He added, the word Meitei is the unified name given to all indigenous ethnic groups of the state. He termed it unfortunate that the term Meitei came to be associated with only one group. He called for unity among the hills and the valley inhabitants.
Madu government ki tourism department ta madu ki paisa leite government puthok na paisa leite adubo salaina government ha sikari no ai koi ki people's representative ne government si BJP ki government Congress ki government haidana amuk kana pandi gano maramdi vote karaba matam do adu phok dani sarkar sema ki perak tu phok dani party ki oiba level da Congress ki or BJP ki mathok taram se adu ki hek wasak kharba matung dagi di is a people's government. Aikogi Myangi government oil. Aduna Aikogi government si Kahir Bayade, Nopur Bayade, Amanagu Palabasu, Aikoi Yukut Park, Maduda, Togut Piba, Pun Togut Piba, Madu Changi,
IPSA, Akomlo, Pandam, IPAG, Kanglamai, KIL, CLK and KSA have jointly held the 21st anniversary observation of ILP movement in Kanglai Park at Nupilal Complex today. Speaking to media, international awardee and chairman of the observation committee, H. Ibotombi Kuman, recalled that people of Manipur experienced foreigners issue movement during 1979 to 80, and thereafter in 1989 an association named Poramlen Apunba submitted relevant documents for implementation of ILP and to prevent influx of outsiders in the state to the then MLA of Kairao, Hidam Biduran, raising the issue for the first time in the state Legislative Assembly session of July 17, 1993. However, the matter was sidelined by the then government. Ibotombi Kuman maintained that Manipur People's Bill 2018 was finally passed in July this year after the persistent struggles of various organizations in the state for safeguarding the indigenous population. He asserted that people's struggles will triumph when the centre gives assent to the bill.
Thangna state ahum haijabatare akhoi Mizoram, Nagaland, Amazon, Arunachal Pradesh study hoja haiba singase makhoi go ba Bengalism frontier regulation 1973 chanabana maram rakanda constitutional safeguard Amazon protection lai maramasna Manipur de masi leitabanina tangai padana masi lehan bama changi haidana hoja haiba 1997 gi November gi time pan mi asidagi hawrakan seda akhoi loop mayam sangse pullaga makhana na ba Amazon mifam pathon lobe damata madugi document amasung chechang sungsi thijalakan sida madugi khanane basi haurakibani.
All Tribal Students Union Assam has expressed discontentment over the silence maintained by the government to come up with a report on the Charter of Demands submitted by Assam despite issuing an order to do so within a month. Assam condemned the fresh recruitment notification of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JNIMS, instead of recruiting backlog ST and SCs. Speaking to media at Assam office in Adim Jati Complex, Chingmairom today, Finance Secretary of Assam, S.R. Andrea, intimated that acting on the Charter of Demands for Travels jointly submitted by Assam, Ansam and KSO, a committee consisting of 5 members with additional Chief Secretary M.H. Khan as the chairman was formed on October 8. He said an order was issued by Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu after the committee looked into the Charter of Demands, assuring to come up with a report within a month. However, government has failed to come up with any report even after a month the order was issued. Andrea appealed to follow the rules and regulation of the Constitution regarding reservation for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. He urged Chief Minister N. Biren-led state government to ensure the rights of the tribals.
Scheduled tribe ki phongpham thokpa backlog sing do PBO hai na masi myam se koi tatna hire leibne state government no in principle koi tawbi abdu tawbi ra se hai na hoji phau su thajaba PBR. Very unfortunately, ngasi JNIMS keep notice sama phangi madudi recruitment for the post of sweeper, driver, attendant, chokidar. Masi miyam se hojik se distribute tawre hai raga piecemeal na ngasi notify tawire. Karigino khoi ST backlog chama hena laibu miyam se madu miyam do special driver tawdabi the karigi sumaina piecemeal na backlog recruitment kauribno have state government amasung JNIMS ki department khoi na hangning base. Honorable Chief Minister ge slogan equal distribution in development hai base khoi chapchabi thabak onis pangthok piu have.
Northeast India Development Party (NEIDP) felicitated its new entrant, Vice President of Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit, Nomai Kakpam Devendro, and former General Secretary of Manipur People's Party, Sher Khan Mainam today. Speaking in the event held at NEIDP Manipur State Unit office in Tera Sapam Lairak today, Vice President of NEIDP Central Working Committee Sapam Kunjakeshwar stated that NEIDP, a regional party of the state, is rapidly progressing even in other states of Northeast. He assured to show the full capability of the party in the upcoming Lok Sabha election 2019 and Manipur Assembly election 2022. Sapam Kunjakeshwar asserted that the party can bring massive development in the state.
This Northeast India Development Party is fast growing party, not only in Manipur but to the whole Northeast India as a whole. When the China Tajay Madudi Sangnai Urbanisi Europe Pesida, Sung Soy Soydana Quick Dolase, Atu Matamda, quick growth, Hana Leramba growth to the Gihena, larger growth Ramalaga, bigger growth Ramalaga, which Lakadriba 2019 election, Amasung 2022 election, the Sung Soy Soyda Sauber or Lobirkane.
Former Vice President and active member of Bharatiya Janata Party, Manipur Pradesh, retired IAS A.R. Khan has left the party today. Speaking to media in this regard at his residence in Khetri, Bengun today, A.R. Khan intimated that he decided to leave the party after being discontented with the BJP's policies and programs and overall attitude of the BJP-led state government. A.R. Khan said that he has submitted his resignation letter to President of BJP Manipur Pradesh. He also disclosed that around 30 active members and 2,000 primary members of BJP from Khetrigao constituency left the party along with him.
Indian Constitution gi Sangbidan gi foundation oiriba ming oina Panjarabada democracy, socialism amasung secularism bu Singnaba Sasongi Kongtang Sing Matang Lokolakbugum Tauriba Singsi Aikoina Mai Pahalwesi Haragadi Party BJP Harba Party Asidagi Handopana Achumba Kongtang Oigani Haina Tazazare.
Manipur Industrial Union observed its 40th commemoration day at Manipur Press Club today. General Manager of DIC Imphal West Textile, Commerce and Industry, Government of Manipur, Huirem Murali and National Awardee Larembam Subhadani graced the event. Members of the union stressed the need to jointly work with other relevant departments for various undertakings on the occasion. Inspector General of Mizoram and Kasar Frontier of BSF Headquarters Silchar, Dr. K.C. Mahali, IPS, today inspected the site of November 16 bomb blast at Manipur Legislative Assembly Complex, which injured 1 BSF personnel and 2 security staff of the assembly. After an in-depth inspection of the site, the IG instructed BSF officers posted at the site to remain vigilant and also to conduct anti-sabotage checking. He then visited the High Court of Manipur complex and instructed the BSF officers posted there to take up necessary security measures. Later, Dr. K.C. Mahali called on DGP Manipur and discussed on the law and order of the state. It is reported that he also met Chief Minister Nongthom Biren earlier today. As a part of security measures ahead of the upcoming Sangai Festival 2018, Imphal East Commando team under the supervision of SP Imphal East K. Megachandra conducted cordon and search operation in and around Hatta Golapati Maninglaikai from 5:15 to 6:50 this morning. The team, including women personnel, verified 347 men and 121 women. 20 individuals without proper identification proofs were picked up during the operation and were handed over to Porompat police station for further verification. Imphal West Police team also conducted routine cordon and search operation in and around Paidinga village under the supervision of OC Sekmai this morning as a part of security measures for the upcoming Sangai Festival 2018. The team verified 500 individuals, including 200 women, during the search operation. 4 individuals without valid identification proof were picked up and were transferred to Sekmai police station for further verification. Players and officials of units affiliated to Athletic Association of Manipur have decided not to partake in Sangai Run 2018, which is a part of Sangai Festival 2018. Briefing media at the conference hall of All Manipur Sports Association in Polo Ground yesterday, the association intimated that All Manipur Sports Association, holding a major responsibility in the field of athletics, did not give consent for Sangai Run 2018 organized by Ureb Sports under the Department of Tourism. The association condemned the proposed run as being organized in violation of guidelines under Athletic Federation of India, but assured not to prohibit organizing of other races as part of the festival. It also warned of strict action against those players and officials under the association if they are found participating in the competition. Members of the association also intimated that a written intimation against Sangai Run 2018 was submitted to the Chief Minister on October 30th and to the Tourism Department on November 3rd. President of Athletic Association of Manipur, L. Ajit, Secretary Ito Tongram and other eminent members were present in the press meet.
Marathon asi hangina hari hoteli pung hatang ngateng pagabani adu kumsi ko inadi akoina Athletic Federation of India makhada Manipur Athletic Association lei mamramna akoina nitina permission Athletic Federation of India ki pungaba adegi akoiga kunna sabina bisun maktaba arna akoina riba mafun togatar pathok kadabe marathon lei akoi thing pangong namjawe Mesti akoina akoi gulda mukoi kesamina mesti jadi anak
Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association MMTA, an event partner of Manipur Sangai Festival 2018, has expressed discontentment at the lack resistance by the relevant department. President of Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association, Kakching Tabam Bijoy, has expressed disappointment that the main venue of Youth Adventure and Water Sports Festival 2018 in Kuman Lampak is neglected. He lamented that relevant departments of the government have not given them any aid for being the main event partner of the upcoming Sangai Festival. He stated that even the officials of the sports department have not inspected the venue. Speaking to media at MMTA office in Menuthong today, Bijoy stated that the association has been promoting the festival since 2006 as a main partner and has always contributed in upgrading the state tourism festival up to the international level.
Kumanapaki venue sina khara mirai bi bedong na tawba mamangi sahida sumai si yam mamdana complaints nan tawnagi handaki sahida hojik phawba MSPDCL gi official sing laktana khotana masigi mai gi kari gi arrangement se amatta udab even gate phawba sabida bi posil lei aduna akhoi gi di adventure sports se adum risk leiba pot amani soiba ngam ba ba isingi masana yauri kangman gi masana yauri asoi ngam si thokdana mai si yam phan mamchang ba akhoi gi mai kai degi MSPDCL da amade Tourism Department da koi kanna haijare adu ba hoji phoba MSPDCL gi maikei degi maigi wafam se lekhai tadri.
Speaking in the press meet, MMTA Secretary in charge Yambem Henry said right from the beginning MMTA has fully participated in the calendar festival Manipur Sangai Festival, which is held under Indian government. He said MMTA has faced lots of difficulties as the government has not sanctioned the required funds to manage the festival. He appealed to the government to extend necessary aids to MMTA for smoothly organization of programs.
Manipur Sangai Festival si koigi Manipur Sarkar gi funding ate Ministry of Tourism degi grant in oina kumangagi simpamna pangthokko to simpamni haidibasi 2006 ta koigi legidreba tamdigi governor koigi tamani banigra oiraba matamdugi Commissioner Tourism ki secretary makoina wana hona bituna hojiki hairiba water sports festival si tourism ga punchal laga Manipur tourism festival na 2060 koi saruk yana lakhi Manipur gi tourism promoter ama oriba MMT bu tourism department na bipam thokpa release tobom thokpa sempam ching ngasi phawbuda namjal laga thambi base MMT gi magai digi pn da ba phongdo jari.
Manipur joined in observing country's first naturopathy day today. The Directorate of Ayush organized the observance at IMA Hall in Lamphil. Speaking on the occasion, Health Minister L. Jayant Kumar announced that the state government will be organizing an Ayush fair to be graced by Ayush Union Minister in Imphal from December 6 to 9. He asserted that Manipur is forefront in naturopathy as people in the state have been using medicinal herbs as cures for various ailments since olden times. He maintained that the state is home to various medicinal plants both in the hills and the valley regions. The health minister assured to recruit adequate staff for state Ayush department.
Medicinal value national level, international level. Why cannot we compete? Kadobi ko Patanjali, Kadobi ko Davar, my Katam free Thalugo. But she raw material, techniques of then again, a quick answer the pyramid. Adu Tari reports our property, Masia the pyramid, answering the pyramid. She actually inferior over Yatava Makilpona Tena Hyber. When the Kangdam Makilport power, answering Tanabas, exhibit Tonava, I was mother Yawing medicine. It's
time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Piba Chakoba. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. International Manipuri Mothers Association hosted a Piba Chakoba feast for the 16th time, reminiscing the event held in the state since the time of King Pakhangba. Many Piba or men from across the state attended the feast held at Sangaipad Community Hall in Imphal East today. The association also presented gifts to them and celebrated the bond of affection between brothers and sisters. Speaking to media, Association Secretary L. Laibaklai stated that women of the state hosted Piba Chakoba by inviting their brothers since the time of King Pakhangba. However, due to circumstantial events, Piba Chakoba was turned into Ningol Chakoba during the time of King Chandrakirti. She said the event was organized to aware the upcoming generations on Piba Chakoba.
Thainam dadi piba singa si ningon singna chak kaurami adubu ningon singna chak kaubagi khudong chadaba mayam ama lakpadagi masi Chandrakirti Maharaj gi haktekta ningon singi mayumda chatkadagi saru piba singsi na ningon apunba singse kauraga ekoi silikwa obagi nungsinabagi thakta ekoi chak chara amamam chaminasi haiduna ningon singi khudong chana nabagi damakta Madu Ontokibani, Maduga Mari Lena, Echo Shanghai Patki, Community Hona Sida, Bibasing Buang Sisa, Saramasamin Duna, Quinangamzaba, Equigi, Young Peter Saba, Aquigi Dal, Amamantan Katsaraga, Madu Quina Pangtok Jabani.
A combined team of None Divisional Forest Officer, Range Officer and Vishnupur Forest Division officers apprehended 10 workers who were excavating stones illegally at Lamaitong Reserved Forest of None Forest Division in None district during a drive yesterday. 2 Shaktiman and 1 JCB used in the illegal excavation were also seized by the team. The miscreants were imposed fines under None Reserved Forest Act and they were warned not to repeat the illegal act again.
Kaina moina Lamaitong Reserve Forest ki nung lo thomba koi gari tata aniga JCB amaga phagal le asi phagat pase koi Indian Forest Act 1927 ki section 26 makhada aduga koi Manipur Forest Rule 1971 ki makhada phagal koi mi punna ngasi se mi labor singa yan mi tara ma phagal le message hodok sina koi praja mayam da su koi reserve forest manung da di koi High Court order su aduga koi Supreme Court ki order su leibanina singba thabak se matung da di mu tawdana ba miyam da appeal tawsari.
The pre-harvest festival of Chiru community, Lamjir Utkam Aimol Cultural Festival, will be held on December 4th. Briefing media at Manipur Press Club today, Chairman of Lamjir Ut Organizing Committee, L.N. Songailian, intimated that the festival will be held at Ngairong village in Technopole district. He appealed to everyone for attending the festival.
mayamna nungsibidana ima event mera paibi lupsing aduga ichi ino satra satri aduga lup kayana ekoi aimolbu support obiu ekoi cultural bu yokhat minnasi nungkoi na mating tobiu numit esida nungsibidana na lup amatana strat na chingba ban na chingba obiganu haidana lamjir u committee chairman gi tarapta inpik tv gi thongda ina khurumjari.
Sri Darshani book publication Iroisemba for the first time organized the 289th birth anniversary observance of Maharaj Bhaigachandra at Manipur Hindi Parishad today. Sri Sri Govinda Rajeshwari Pala President Chongtham Yamini led the people in paying floral tribute at the portrait of late Maharaj Bhaigachandra in the event. Writers Jodhachandra Sanasam's poetry book, Echo, and Sanasam Umananda's novel, Lamhangdagi Lambiromda were released today. A Sangbam Communication Imphal organized a book releasing ceremony at Manipur Hindi Training College, DM College campus. President of Manipur Sahitya Parishad Imphal, Professor K. Ibohal, and its former president, Professor E. Dinamani, presided the event. Many Manipur literature enthusiasts attended the event. MLA Nauria Pakhang Lakpa S. Subhash Chandra has inaugurated APF Nutrition Center at Children Idol High School in Kwakaithel today. The center aims to make people healthy by providing a good fitness regime inclusive of healthy diet and physical exercise.
Iramda masida anabada hati go diabetes kumba BP kumba arthritis gout suma mayam se lae nupi mayam sida aduki matik akoi gi aina su eting bada ki ba haida body structure se pura kai rakpa de fatty gi chang wang pasida hojik suddenly khangau dana silent killer mayam amala pasida aina mati kharadati haidi iramda masigi lairiba gi imai cha khudi mukta mating khaidang pangmu ngam jagadra na masida ina kan stand tawrapane.
A new studio named Public Recording and Editing Studio was opened at Kanglei Park Fitness Center KFC building in Kanchipur today. Speaking to media, IPS School and KFC founder A. Kennedy urged every film and music enthusiast to avail the facilities provided by the studio. A film song entitled Bangladesh Ki Sanatampa, produced by Epoch Films Production and World Expression Picture, was released today. International awardee and educationist Dr. S. Manauton graced the event held at Kombire in Uripok, Sanam Laikai. Kurai Khaidem Laikai Gram Panchayat Hengang Block held an exclusive awareness campaign for women entitled Defend Yourself at Top Khongnangkhong Green Community in Imphal East today. RIMS Medicine Department Professor S. Bhaigabati and women of Top Khongnangkhong attended the event. Imphal Angels Network Private Limited has launched Manipur Angels Investors Event 2018 at Classic Hotel in North AOC today. Many investors from various parts of Northeast India attended the event. Lamawam Jasobanta, a member of All Manipur Working Journalists Union (AMJU), who served as an office assistant of Manipur Press Club for many years, passed away at the age of 47 this morning. He is survived by his wife, 3 daughters and 1 son. Media fraternity, led by President of AMJU, Brasendo Ningomba, paid floral tributes and observed 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed soul at Manipur Press Club this afternoon. Editors Guild Manipur also expressed grief over his untimely demise. Jasobanta was undergoing treatment at Jennings Hospital for over a month before he died. Former General Secretary of All Manipur Tami Chingmi Apunba Nupi Lup Furailakpam Sanahanbi left for her heavenly abode due to an illness today. She was one of the forerunners of Mairapaibi movement and took a great role in the field of handicraft. She was accorded State Award to Master Craftsman 1989-90 for her endeavor. All Manipur Tami Chingmi Apunba Nupi Lup expressed grief over her sudden demise. Now the sports news. Manipur Badminton Association has lauded Dr. A. Chittaranjan on being selected as the deputy referee of the upcoming Yonex Sunrise Sub-Junior Under-13 National Badminton Tournament 2018. Badminton Association of India selected him for the tournament to be held from November 21st to 25th at Karapa in Andhra Pradesh. Dr. A. Chittaranjan is also selected to be one of the assessor of National Badminton Umpire Grade 2 examination scheduled to be held during Yonex Sunrise Sub-Junior Under 15 and 17 National Badminton Championship 2018 in Bangalore, Karnataka from November 27 to December 2nd. It may be mentioned that Dr. A. Chittaranjan is a retired international badminton umpire and has served as a national badminton referee since then. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Children Cultural Center Manipur launches a 3-day Children Festival. Minister Karam Sham calls for a healthy competition among children to bring out their best. Chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited, Narendra Samajit asserts Meetei is the unified name given to all ethnic groups of Manipur. Manipur joins in observing country's first Naturopathy Day today. Health Minister L. Jayantakumar announces Ayush Fair in Imphal from December 6 to 9. An event partner of Manipur Sangai Festival 2018, Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association discontinues at the Lake of Assistance from the relevant department.